Hello everyone, I am Mrs. Josna Meena and I am going to explain you today the class 12 business studies 6th video in which principles, the second chapter is there, principles of management, in which the topic is scientific management, which I am going to explain. The PDF 1 there is also the detail about this topic in PDF 1, and now we are going to study the scientific management. First of all, scientific management refers to the work of management which is done scientifically. So scientific management means scientific management is the managerial work which is done scientifically. As all of you know that what is management? Management is the art of getting things done with and through other people. But when the work of management is done in scientific system or scientific way, it is called scientific management. So what is the meaning of scientific management? When we apply scientific approach towards managerial efforts or management concepts, it is called scientific management. So scientific management is performing the managerial work in scientific way, performing the managerial activity on the basis of scientific principles, rules, techniques. This is called scientific management. Now, what are the characteristics of scientific management? Now see, first of all is scientific analysis. As all of you know that the science is always based on analysis, research, rules or principles. So scientific analysis is the basic work of scientific management. Scientific management is always based on deep study. Analysis means deep study about the work, and scientific analysis is the basic work of scientific management. And on the basis of this analysis, the managerial work is done or the plans are formed out. Then second is set of rules. There are the set of rules just like the science. Just like in the science, there is some particular principles or particular rules on which the scientific activities are performed. In the same way, in the scientific management, there is also a set of rules or set of principles on which the managerial work is scientifically performed. Third is survey and research. All of you know well that surveys and research is important part of scientific work. Any of the scientific work is based always on some type of research or analysis. And on the basis of this survey and research, a number of activities are performed in scientific management. So surveys and research are the important part of scientific management. On the basis of these research and survey, the managerial activities are controlled scientifically. Then next is fixing the responsibilities. As you know that there is also a principle of management, authority and responsibility, which is given by Henry Fayol. It is explained in the previous video. But in the same way, in the scientific management, there is also the work of fixing the responsibilities. The authority and responsibility of every worker or every employee is clear cut in scientific management. The authority means the rights of the workers, and responsibilities means the duties of the workers are clear cut, defined. So we can say that the scientific management defines the responsibility of the worker in a clear and systematic way. Every worker should know that what is his duties, what is his rights, what are his powers. He can use his powers well to fulfill his responsibilities. And last one is effective control. So scientific management is helpful in putting a effective control in the managerial work. In this way you can know, you know well that it is based on scientific analysis. There are some fixed rules. The work is based on some research and surveys. Every worker's responsibilities are fixed, clear cut in this. So all of these activities helpful in putting a effective control on every worker. Every worker should know well that what is his work, and he is controlled properly by fixing his responsibilities. He is controlled properly by putting the scientific management in the business, and he is, in this way the effective control can be possible in the managerial work by performing the scientific managerial activity in a scientific way and a systematic way. So effective control is also a characteristic of scientific management. Thank you.